I just realized now too what you were experiencing with the data validation issue. You want to make sure that whatever you're typing, let's say tile, that it has been added to this drop-down list. So to do that, go to data, data validation, and this top value has the drop-downs in it. And that's where you're going to want to add another item. And now if I type tile, you'll see that it popped up. So any of the categories you want to enter, make sure those have been entered in this data validation rules. Now this is not the version where I updated and added the categories sheet. So that's if you continue editing it as it is without duplicating the sheets or making that categories and updating data validation to from a range.